Hello students, welcome to iSmart technology. This video is about projection of line. A line AB 65 mm long has its end A 20 mm above HP and 25 mm in front of VP. The end B is 40 mm above HP and 65 mm in front of VP. Draw the projection of AB and show its inclination with HP and VP. First of all, you have to draw XY line. Then you have to draw two horizontal line 20 and 40 above XY and then 25 and 65 distance below XY. Okay, now what you have to do, students? You have to draw A days B1 days line. The length is 65 mm. Same way you have to draw A B2 line, which is the length is 65 mm. Now you have to draw projection of both the points. So from B1 days you have to draw the vertical line which is intersect at B1 point. Then you have to make the arc, right, which is intersected B. Now you have to draw vertical line, so it will give B days line. So A days B days, then you can get AB. Thank you.